Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to stop Instagram account from being suggested. It's very simple and easy. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, I wanna tell you that you can do this process on Instagram application. For this you have to log in your Instagram account in any browser in your device and then you will be able to do this process. So let's start the process. First of all, open any browser in your device. I'm opening Google Chrome. Tap on the search bar and search instagram.com. Tap on login and enter your Instagram login details to sign in. After signing into your account, go to your Instagram profile from the bottom right corner. In the profile section, you will see edit profile option on the top. So tap on it. Then scroll to the bottom and you will see the option show account suggestions on profiles. Toggle off this option. Tap on submit and now your account won't be suggested on other profiles and people won't see similar account suggestions on your profile too. And this is how you can stop Instagram account from being suggested.